Kindergarten has changed drastically in the past several years. The days are longer and the academic standards are much different. Also, there has been an increase in testing and assessments. Morrison states that kindergartners are rapidly growing in all aspects of development, cognitively, physically, socially, and emotionally. Morrison also addressed that by the end of kindergarten, most children will be reading upon entering first grade. Kindergarten programs today focus on academics in literacy, math, and science. Educators need to remember when creating lesson plans that kindergartens like to be engaged and involved with hands-on activities. I have chosen a literacy lesson I will be implementing. It's an emergent literacy and alphabet knowledge lesson with a pre-writing activity. The target audience is kindergartners, 5 and 6-year-olds. The tracking information is integrated collaborative teaching classroom. The objectives of the lesson is students will be able to identify and recognize the letter A and be able to write uppercase A. The New York State standards are Kindergarten Writing Standard 1. Students will read, write, listen, and speak for information and understanding. Copy letters and words from books, magazines, signed charts, and own dictation. Kindergarten Listening Standard 2. Students will read, write, listen, and speak for literary response and expression. Students will match spoken words with pictures with assistance. The materials are chart paper, pencil, supplemental handouts, brown paper bag with pictures that begin with the letter A, and markers. The mini lesson, I will gather the students on the carpet and I will take a brown bag that is filled with pictures beginning with the letter A. Drawing popsicle sticks with the student's name, I will randomly select a name for the student to come up and pull a picture out of the bag. I will ask the student to tell the class what the picture is. Together, we will say it, spell it, say it, and chart it on the board. For example, if they draw an apple, we will say it, spell it, A-P-P-L-E, apple, and say it again. Once all the items are out of the bag, I will ask the students what these items have in common. Together, we will discuss the letter A. I will then show the students how to write uppercase A by drawing a diagonal line up and down and a straight line across. I would show them this handout, which we start at the grass, we draw a diagonal line up to the sun and back down to the grass, and I'll draw a line across the airplane. Each student will get a chance to come up to the board and write the letter A. The students will go back to their assigned seats and the teacher will hand out the supplemental handouts and pencils. This will be their copy. It's a little smaller. I will give them the directions and the students will practice writing uppercase A. The assessment, I will walk around the room and do an observational checklist to see what each student is doing. I will take notice on how the students are recognizing the letter A and how they are writing it. A follow-up to the lesson is continue practicing with the recognition of the letter A, posting objects, items, and pictures around the classroom that begin with the letter. Also keeping a chart of words so when the students think of words as they go, we could chart them on the board.